Hello guys, welcome to the part 2 of the series 5 ways of making up to $100 online a day. If you want to know about the other methods of making money online that we discussed earlier, you can check out our previous video. But before anything else, welcome to Anything Finance, a YouTube channel dedicated to you and your finances. Here, we discuss anything related to making money online. If it's finance, we'll talk about it. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell to be notified whenever we post similar videos like this. Please like this video and share it with all your friends. And don't be shy to leave a comment for us in the comment section below, cause we'll like to know what you think. Now, let's get to the video. You can make money online by becoming a freelancer. A freelancer, according to a popular definition, is an independent laborer who earns wages on a per-job or per-task basis, typically for short-term work, in which the benefits include the freedom to work from home or from a non-traditional workspace, a flexible work schedule, and a better work-life balance. In a simple definition, be your own boss, choose the kind of work you do, get paid well for it based on your desired wage, and have all the time in the world to enjoy your money. Couldn't be better than this. If you have any skills that you think people will be willing to pay for, you should definitely try freelancing. You can be a graphic designer, a web developer, a content creator, a video editor, a writer, and a whole lot of others. The truth is that, if you have it, there's a whole lot of people out there willing to pay for it. And by it, I mean your skills. They're just waiting for you to present yourself for the task. Though there are lots of job hubs for freelancers depending on the kind of job you do. If you want to give freelancing a try, I recommend registering to have an account with Fiverr or with Upwork. Because with these platforms, you'll never run out of clients, and with lots of clients, you'll never run out of thousands of dollars. And in case you were wondering, no, you don't need to pay to have an account with either Fiverr or Upwork. However, if you think that you're not up for freelancing, try creating an online course so that others can get a share of your talent too. Creating an online course and selling it is one of the best ways to make money online. If you're an expert on a subject, you can monetize your knowledge by creating courses online. You can sell your course on Udemy, Skillshare, Teachable, etc. Or if you already have your own audience, through your own website. Some entrepreneurs earn as much as $10,000 or more per month with online courses. To create a popular and successful course, take inspiration from trending courses in your niche. Then, look at the reviews. What aspects do people like, and what are the things people hate? How can you create something better than what's already been created? Focus on creating content that solves people's problem on that particular subject. To achieve great results, you need to create effective course content. You must organize it using the right tools and share it with the students in the best possible way. Set the price range for your course and be ready to make your money. On Udemy, for example, courses range from as low as $9 to $300. So, the price you'll set for your course depends on the quality of value you're sure it will give to your learners. Remember, always sell at a reasonable price, don't be too greedy. You will not pay to be able to sell your course. All you need to do is, once you've sold the course, you'll share your revenue with the site. Fair enough, right? Just make sure you check the percentage you'll share, so that you won't feel cheated. If creating courses isn't your thing, you can sell arts online. Create graphic designs, handmade jewelries, any artwork that's not offensive, and sell them on Etsy, Shopify, or any other sites like Etsy. You know, you don't need to be a great artist to be able to create things to sell on these sites. You can easily make fine designs using Canva.com. To sell your craftworks, you will be charged a listing fee of 20 cents for each item that you list for sale on Etsy.com or Etsy's mobile apps. If you ask me, I think it's a small price to pay for the amount of money you'll later make. If you know all those your artworks, you think people won't be willing to pay for, Just have a little faith, put them on Etsy and watch magic begin to happen. It will really shock you what some people are willing to pay for. They even buy wedding planning on Etsy. So no talent of yours is a waste. Just get creative. And pretty soon, you'll be counting thousands of dollars. Sell your old stuff you no longer use. An easy way to make extra cash is to sell the stuff you no longer use. When using this strategy, just make sure the items you put up for sale are of value to today's buyers. And when I say old stuff, I don't mean selling your junk like old CDs and DVDs. Because most people don't want to buy those things. It's 2022, are you really going to buy a CD? Probably not. So don't waste your time trying to sell it. When you're thinking about selling your stuff, focus on items like electronics like phone, television, etc., furniture, toys, cars, and crafts. You can list the same products on multiple platforms, including Amazon, Facebook Marketplace, eBay, etc. Selling on these multiple sites will improve your chances of finding customers for your items. And no, you're likely not to pay any listing fees on any of these sites to get your used items out there. What most sites usually do is that they charge a commission fee for any used item you sell. So, once your sale is successful, you'll give them a commission from your sale. I do believe it's a fair trade for someone willing to help you get rid of your old items you don't want to use again. To have a successful sale, make sure the pictures of the items are very clear and of high quality. If by chance you can't take the pictures well by yourself, you can reach out to someone better than you to do that. I'm sure we all have those friends that can't get through a day without taking pics. Or better still, hire a professional to do the job for you. Just don't mess up your chance to make some cool cash. Ran out of old items to get rid of? Don't worry, just publish an ebook. An ebook is basically a book, but in a format where it can be delivered or downloaded online. If you're good at writing, then this will be perfect for you. You can write basically anything on any niche. You can write fictional stories, novels, poems, travel guide, or probably just anything you can put together that would make sense when read. Just make sure it's a trending topic so that you can easily sell. To do that, go to Amazon and check out the bestseller list. It's no hidden secret that a lot of writers have made thousands and millions of dollars through Amazon's Kindle Direct Publishing. So you can too. Remember, every dime you make will belong to you because you won't pay any editor or marketer. With Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, it's never been easier to publish an ebook. All you need to do is write the ebook, format it, create an ebook cover, publish it, and promote it. After sales, you'll share a commission with Amazon, which is not much compared to how much you would have made. You can also sell your ebook through your own website, but it's advisable to sell through Amazon because of a wider reach of audience. To generate sales for your ebook, focus on marketing tactics that are proven to attract customers. For example, you can give the first few copies of your book away for free. This helps you create buzz on social media and get some reviews, which helps you gain customers via social proof. You can promote your ebook on your social media platforms. Sell your pictures online. It doesn't matter if you're a professional photographer or just like taking pictures in your spare time. You could easily make some money by selling your pictures online. And you don't need a fancy camera to be able to do this. A good phone camera will do the job excellently. A growing number of websites like Shutterstock, Alamy, Pickfair are interested in buying your pictures. These websites pay royalties to photographers when someone downloads a copy of their image. Selling photos through a stock site is a great way to make money online. You can upload a photo once and sell it over and over again, pretty much forever. Also, there are smartphone-free apps like Fope where you can easily make money selling your pics. Fope sells photos for around £7, £8 and splits the money equally with you, the photographer, after reductions of any taxes and dues. There's also an opportunity for you to win extra cash because they run regular missions, where you can submit photos on a theme to be within a chance of winning extra money and perks. It's actually great making money from your hobbies. And that's it for now, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like and share this video with anyone you know, friends, foes or even frenemy. Please just share this video. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.